I'm so confused. I don't know what I used to do differently. Why it isn't like as good. Let's just... You know what? I think that looks better. Is the camera zoomed in? I don't think so. No, it's not. I'm just gonna leave it there. This is good. This is good. It's fine. Everything's fine. Yes, when in doubt, go with low. I'm gonna have to look at my VODs and figure out like how I had it positioned previously. Oh right, my headphones are dying. I got the charger, I just didn't actually plug it in. We're playing with electricity now. Hang with my awesome TSG face. I mean, I suppose it is, if nothing else, TSG. It was a much needed reprieve, but with Delta in full swing, I'm back in hermit mode. It was a good break though. Back on the Lego deal grind. I bought something and I feel dirty, but not as always. Oh my god. What this time? What this time, Lone? I've just been saying how I've gone all this month without buying any Lego, I'm pretty sure. And it feels weird, man. Yeah. Feels weird, man. You guys hear something? Or is it just me? I feel like I can,
Fask 1 hype.
I hear something about hype and something about... Hold on. I know what's going on here. If I'm not mistaken, there's a train coming in. Yes, there is. It's the supercomputer train. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for... Well, like Taco before him, it seems supercomputer decided not to stop at the first station, so we'll just, maybe we won't let them join in at all. Maybe... Oh my god. What was I saying? I got such a fright, I can't even remember what I was, what I was saying. But thank you very much for rating Supercomputer, and thank you very much Pizza Cats 23 for following for the first time. I look forward to your 22 future follows as well. Welcome to the Square Gang, and Supercomputer, welcome to the whatever this is. You want a Dougie Jones style hello, eh? I might be able to do that for you. It's just very quiet. Turn it up. Hello. There you go. There's your hello, Supercomputer. Welcome in. Good to see you. Darcy, thank you for shouting him out. Guys, Supercomputer, what is there to say that hasn't been said before? Nothing. Not a damn thing. Go follow him. No, your computer is not frozen. I'm just waiting for you to go follow him before I continue with the stream. Yeah, just click the button. The one that says follow. No, not on my stream. On Super's. On Supercomputer's stream. Go to Supercomputers, so follow the link that Darcy posted. And then go there, and then click follow. Not on this one. No, on the other one. On the other stream. There you go. Now you've done. Okay, good. Now you can come back. You can come back now, and we're good. Okay, welcome back to the show. No, you can't. You can't shout me out here, Super. Thank you, Lauren. You did it. Probably making dinner, but I'm not even that hungry. Neither am I, really. We had lunch very, very late, Darcy. Yeah, Super. How was your stream? You were building a mock, I believe. What did you end up mocking? Let's hear all about it. You have the same alert? Nice one. Did I know you were into Twin Peaks? I feel like I didn't know you were into Twin Peaks. I'm a bot and my face is silly. This is very true, Corn. Very, very true. Thank you for encouraging me to come out with the truth about that. And my being a bot and having a silly face. I'm glad that I can be open about that now. All my homies in the Square Gang love Dougie Jones, Darcy. Taco Knight, thank you for the follow, by the way. Welcome to the Square Gang. Taco Knight, Pizza Cat. Wait, you guys related? Pizza Cat, Taco Knight, surely you guys are related. Thank you very much for the follows. Welcome to the Square Gang. Square Gang, rise up and make a meal out of your name. There we go. There we go. One of his is, yeah, see, Barnstar, it wasn't yours, it wasn't your computer streaming, freezing. It's fine. We're good. We're good. We're having a steak and veggies for dinner. Oh, good one. Nice one. Let's go. Let's go. Isn't it lamb steaks though? That's what we're having, right? Stream is great. Yeah, just a small storefront mock for a display my Lego user group is putting on this weekend. Nice one. I'm not in a Lego user group. I'm not sure I would. I'm not sure that I should be, because I don't mock, and nor am I good with social situations, and nor do I enjoy traveling for things regularly. So I'm not in one. I'm not sure if there's one that's close to me that, like, I feel like the only one around here would be like an hour commute to get to. So, but I haven't really looked into it all that much. Lamb is disappointing? Excuse me? Corn? Excuse me? How dare you, sir? How dare you? What are Chinese fries? Color me intrigued. Oh, what was that? Hold on. I was convincing my chat to watch some Twin Peaks today. Dude, if I had $1 for every time that I was trying to convince my chat to watch Twin Peaks, I wouldn't need to beg people to subscribe anymore, because I'd have so much money from all the times that I'm begging people to Kira, you weren't raid. You weren't streaming. You've been here the whole time. Get out of here. I ain't acknowledging your raid. Hereupon, give me that. It's so expensive for how much you get, and honestly, its flavor's just kind of. Lamb is amazing. Are you kidding me? Goat burritos? Okay, that sounds incredible. Maybe one day you could try going to a log meetup. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I mean, not anytime soon. The way lockdowns are going. Hey, Sassy, go get your food. But yeah, maybe one day I'll convince people to actually watch Twin Peaks, but I don't know if that day is today. I feel like every time wait, he did go live to raid me over what? Are you serious? Dankarella? Really? Hereupon, what's the deal? Dankarella, thank you for the follow all the same. Welcome to the Square Gang. I'm very confused. Hereupon, did you go live for 1 minute or something? What's your deal, bud? What's your go here? Would I ever just go to Brickvention? Well, I have. I've been to Brickvention here in Melbourne the past 3 that actually ran, but last year, or this year rather, we didn't get to do one. There wasn't a Brickvention this year, which made me very, very sad. Sorry for unrelated question, but does your lockdown affect the delivery from overseas stuff? It took a while for Duro's package to arrive. And I think that's because we went into lockdown. Maybe check with Duro. I don't know. I feel like that was a thing, MJ, that international packages are taking longer to arrive, but they still get here eventually. You can raid while offline. Yeah, I know. Exactly. That's what I assumed he'd done. You could also get raided while offline as well. I went live until someone joined my chat. Incredible. Incredible. Well, Dankarella, thank you for coming over. Hereupon, thank you for the raid. I just did the train thing. Do I have to do it again? Ground beef, ground goat's beef is pretty incredible. And no, I haven't eaten my own